Good morning, everyone. My name is Chhavi. I am from NTTF Murbad from Mechatronics course. My shoptalk topic is lightning arrestor. My contents are introduction, working, uses, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. Lightning strikes contains billions of volts and high ampere of electricity. It may lead to damage where it falls. From preventing this, we use a lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor does not stop and absorb the voltage. It limits the voltage and it protects the power lines from against high voltage, lightning surges and switching surges. It is connected from line to ground potential and it is connected parallelly to the equipment. Lightning arrestor used on the systems above 1000 volts and protect the equipment from lightning and switching surges. The lightning when falls on the distribution system, the voltage surge travels throughout the arrestor where it is installed. So the lightning arrestor break down the insulation for a moment and the voltage surge can be discharged towards the ground potential. The applications are, it is used in the power plants, substation, distribution systems to protect the transformers and to the electrical apparatus. The advantages are the property damage can be reduced from the strokes of lightning. It is simple to use and avoid damage to the lines. Outdoor equipment of the substation can also be protected from the lightning strikes. Disadvantages are it occupies more space and the installation cost of the lightning arrestor is high and it can be damaged from the lightning strikes, so it is required a replacement. In conclusion, the lightning protection systems are an important investment for any structure that is at risk of lightning strikes. Thank you.